Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making banana cake. So start off by taking 150 grams of unsalted butter and 150 grams of caster sugar and whisk those together. Sorry, I don't know where the footage for this went. Then whisk in 3 eggs. And whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then fold in 2 mashed bananas. Take 150 grams of self-raising flour and half teaspoon of cinnamon and sift those into the mixture. And gently fold that in. Then put that into a lined baking tin. I'm using a loaf tin here, and bake it in a preheated oven of 180 degrees for about half an hour to 40 minutes. Until you stick a skewer inside and it comes out clean. And that's it guys, it's very simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And as always, the ingredients and the method will be in the description box. Bye guys!